Well, today we did see the scattered thunderstorms over the northern sections of the Arklatex, and thankfully it looks like today's threat is pretty much over. You can see the last of the heavier downpours have moved out of Nevada County, and nothing really too much further to the west, so we are done with the worries with severe weather today. Now our attention turns to tomorrow. Again, we do have that moderate risk for severe weather. That's level 4 on that 1 to 5 scale, meaning that we should all anticipate widespread reports of the severe weather tomorrow with all severe weather impacts possible. Let's show you the timing here as we first of all give you a look at the HR model, the high resolution rapid refresh model. I've added a few more pause points to kind of slow things down a bit here, and you can see point I wanted to make here with tomorrow is that it's possible we could see some discrete storms across pretty much anywhere across the region. You can see the HR model does show again a few discrete cells here across northwest Louisiana. These will have to be watched for the potential of maybe a few rotating storms. They will move off to the north and east. This is probably going to be the focus of most of our severe weather threat, the way most high resolution models, including this model, look. These would pose a tornado threat, a damaging wind threat, and that large hail threat. And then as we go into the evening hours, we'll see the main line of storms begin to move into the northwestern edge of the area. Move ahead to 10 o'clock. That line will move into Texarkana and will begin to move into the Longview area. Push ahead a couple more hours. By the time we get to 11, 12 o'clock, you can see a little bit of acceleration here with this particular model, as we should be pretty much done with the worst of the storms by midnight in Shreveport. And the storms, as far as the severe activity, likely will soon exit the area after midnight tomorrow night, and then we should be pretty much done. So that's a look at one possibility as far as timing. Here's the latest on the timing as far as Futurecast. It's actually pretty close. As you can see, the latest from Futurecast does show that tonight, a few scattered showers possible. Notice tomorrow doesn't show too much in terms of the discrete storms, but a few will be possible during the early afternoon hours. Notice the main focus during that part of the day will be further to the north and west. There's going to be a boundary sitting up here, which probably will serve as the focus for the heavy rain as well as the stronger thunderstorms during the afternoon. By 5 o'clock, you can see the line of storms here still focused across the northern sections of the area. And then here comes that final line. By 8 o'clock, just to the west of Texarkana down to about Henderson. We'll see it arrive in Texarkana about 9 o'clock. So again, very similar timing. Texarkana, Shreveport, last half of the evening is when the storms will move into those particular parts of the Arklatex. And again, you can see we should see improving conditions late tomorrow night. Now, as far as the tornado aspect of things, both the HR model as well as Futurecast kind of zeroing in on the northwest half of the area for the greatest tornado potential. We will have the potential further to the south and east, but that risk is looking higher further to the northwest. You can see the intensity of some of these rotating updrafts, which will be a possibility, indicating the possibility for some large tornadoes across the area. Now, as far as rainfall, that is going to be another concern. We do have that flood watch for the northern sections of the Arklatex. You can see much of southwest Arkansas, northeast Texas, and McCurtain County could see upwards of 1 to as much as 3, maybe even 4 inches of rainfall before it's all said and done. We do have that flood watch, which is in effect for the northern tier of counties here through tomorrow night. So your forecast for tonight looks like this. We will see again temperatures not really drop very much with all the moisture in the atmosphere and the breezy conditions as well, in addition to the clouds, as we'll see a few scattered showers possible with temperatures easing into the 60s. Tomorrow, thunderstorms likely area wide. They'll be strongest in the afternoon and especially during the evening hours. All severe weather threats possible, including some damaging winds upwards of 60 to 70 miles per hour. We'll see highs tomorrow in the 70s. Get past tomorrow night.